Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these orange line annotation and then the green line annotation is coming from. But want to get things updated here. And the first update is essentially, the trend line break here has, it's almost just added on to the momentum of things as the price is now sitting down at lows that it hasn't seen for a couple weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of that trend line there. It's pretty much served its purpose. We tried to monitor and see if the bulls were going to build something, and that failed. And now the price is just, like I said, gaining that much more momentum to the downside. So on that note, just kind of want to give a little bit more perspective on kind of why it makes sense where the price is starting to go sideways where it is. So to give the bulls some credit in, I guess, a weird type of way, because it was still bearish, from an overall chart perspective, but at least the price right now is still holding strong like it did back here in the past. And this is what actually now creates a very, very interesting setup, because last time the price was down here, you can see what followed, and that was a very nice bounce. Now, don't get me wrong, though, and I really wish trading was this easy. Just because last time the price was down in this area, a nice bounce happened, does that mean that it is guaranteed to bounce once again? Again, I wish trading was that easy, but it's not that easy. There's no such thing as a guarantee. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all. However, myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that for sure a bounce is coming, because of quote-unquote for sure implies guarantees, and there simply just is no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But nonetheless, like I said, it becomes very interesting, and we'll see if the bulls can indeed get some sort of bounce going forward, because there is a track record here of past history showing that this level has produced a nice bounce before. Now, in the event this level of support cannot hold, do you want to get the next one mapped out? And that is going to be down here at this green line right there, which sits slightly below 4 cents. You can see this was the bottom of a consolidation period right here. However, getting a little far ahead of myself, because as it stands right now, this level of support, that first green line, is holding. So we'll see if this is going to be any sort of repeat history or not, where the bulls can generate a nice solid bounce. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.